Welcome back. In this lesson, we will learn how to structure and build a simple, reusable PHP algorithm library. This library will house common algorithms, making them easy to reuse across multiple projects. Let's start by setting up our project. Create a folder called PHP Algorithm Library. Inside this folder, we'll organize our algorithms by category. Create subfolders like sorting, searching, and graph to keep things clean and maintainable. Let's start with a simple sorting library. We'll implement two common sorting algorithms, bubble sort and quick sort. First, create a file called bubblesort.php inside the sorting folder. This is our bubble sort algorithm. It compares adjacent elements and swaps them if they are in the wrong order, eventually sorting the entire array. Next, let's add another powerful sorting algorithm, quicksort. Create a file called quicksort.php inside the sorting folder. Quicksort is a divide and conquer algorithm. It picks a pivot element and partitions the array into two halves, recursively sorting both halves. This results in a very efficient sorting algorithm. Now let's move on to the searching section of our algorithm library. We'll implement binary search, which is a highly efficient search algorithm for sorted arrays. Create a file called binarysearch.php inside the searching folder. Binary search works by dividing the search interval in half repeatedly. This method is extremely efficient for large sorted datasets, reducing the time complexity to O log n. Let's add some graph algorithms to our library. We'll start with breadth first search, BFS, which is used to explore nodes in a graph level by level. Create a file called breadthfirstsearch.php in the graph/folder. BFS explores a graph level by level, starting from the root node. It uses a queue to keep track of which nodes to visit next and efficiently traverses all reachable nodes. With our sorting, searching, and graph traversal algorithms in place, we now have a simple, reusable PHP algorithm library. The structure makes it easy to maintain, expand, and reuse these algorithms in any future project. To summarize, we learned how to build a simple PHP algorithm library by structuring code into organized folders and files. We implemented sorting algorithms like bubble sort and quick sort, searching with binary search, and graph traversal with breadth first search. You can easily add more algorithms as your needs grow. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more lessons. You can find the complete code for this lesson on GitHub.